नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका एमएस टीवी में। मैं हूं अपूर्वा झा और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा प्रोग्राम रूबरू। Today we have with us a very dynamic personality. She is an actor, a director, a storyteller and a global creative voice, Ambika Sharma. Welcome to the studio, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
How are you?
I'm good. I feel excited.
कैंस में आप बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस 2025 का रिकॉग्निशन यू गॉट.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was within the Marche du film. मेरी दो short films थी, which were submitted at the Cell Phone Cinema Festival, and over there I had gotten Best Actress last
So,
year.
what was that moment like? How did you feel about it, like emotionally and professionally?
Well, so I was also a big part of the event in general. I was a bit overwhelmed that day,
Mhm.
so it didn't register at that moment, but I felt it like right after the event.
Yeah.
When I was exhausted, I'm like, okay, yeah, this is happening. And then we were all on stage, and the other categories were
Mhm.
getting awarded. So that moment for me was like, it felt like a bit of a relief. I'm like, okay, finally, it's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you are an actor, a storyteller, and a director.
yeah.
आपको सबसे ज़्यादा challenging role कौन सा लगता है?
Um, I think it's not ke what specific profession is more challenging or role.
Mhm.
It's more ke meri vibration किससे ज़्यादा हो रही है.
Yeah.
Like if I am able to connect with the character that has been given to me and collaborate on
Mhm.
it,
Mhm.
so it becomes easy. It's not the kind of movie or the kind of role that's hard, but what you're bringing to it, what you're able to bring to it. So it's harder when you're not able to relate entirely, and you have to find. It can be also as a director. It could be like that the team you're working with, or the people who you have as actors.
Yeah.
Are you able to connect with them and have a synergy? I would say,
Exactly.
yeah.
I mean, तीनों ही roles challenging है. Depends on the story and yeah,
And the team,
work. Yeah, and
yeah,
the team.
the people who are with you. Like
Yeah.
I'm a very generally in an artistic space, I'm very like isolated.
Yeah.
So when I have to also work with other people,
Mhm.
I have to have good vibes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, you represent Dutch Indian background.
Yes.
So, how this multicultural identity has shaped you and your personality?
That's a good question. I'm still figuring it out. Like it's a work in progress. I think I connect most with people who are somewhat like me, like a bit nomadic, not really belonging to one place. But
Mhm.
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि I don't feel a sense of belonging. It's just कि मेरा अपने culture से interaction, where I grew up versus जहाँ मेरी historically where I'm from, like India is a big part of me growing up.
Yeah,
आपका एक mini India बन जाता है when you are
exactly.
somewhere else, and आप actually ज़्यादा emotional होते हो. And you learn like prehistory things. So
Yeah,
मेरा
exactly.
interest is a lot in like ancient stories and cultures and ideas, which I feel like जब आप यहाँ पे होते हैं उसकी उतनी शायद value नहीं होती है
Mhm.
most of the time. But it's shaped me in a way where I feel like whoever I'm meeting, I'm able to find something that connects us. क्योंकि आप जितने multiple cultures को expose होते हो, आपको पता चलता है कि you are able to adapt to the other person. So I think adaptability मिल जाती है.
Exactly, and that's
Yeah,
the best thing, I guess.
yeah.
And nowadays, you're working on AI in film.
Yes. Amongst many different things,
Mm-hmm.
AI is a big part of it.
Mm-hmm.
Like last year at the Pan African Film Festival, together with Professor Carl Bardosh, who's been a big part of my life, forming it
Mm-hmm.
within as an actor and as a creator storyteller. We presented a workshop on AI in film. We've
Yeah.
been working on a lot of pre-production materials, for pitching and for
Yeah.
everything else using AI. जो कि मेरी अपनी research बन गई at NYU as
Mm-hmm.
well, and it just connected. But yeah,
So, according to you, how AI is changing the future of cinema and storytelling?
I think it's developing every day. So जो मैं
Exactly.
अभी बोलूँगी after 1 week कुछ और
हो
आ
सकता
जाएगा.
है.
तो उसमें आप you're constantly reinventing. I
Yeah,
think it's
exactly.
doing reinvention actually. And एक fear भी है लोगों में, of course, as a I'm also a writer and an actor, so
Mm-hmm.
there's a fear that okay, how will it incorporate in such a way के will it make me redundant, you know?
Yeah.
But again, जब आप forefront पे होते हो, like I was at Microsoft as well talking about this in a panel discussion, and I think the same thing I feel still, like if you're at the helm of things,
Yeah,
you can shape the narrative के AI कैसे use होना चाहिए. But
exactly.
अगर आप उसको एकदम boycott करोगे, everyone else is going to do it anyway, so you might as well do it better.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. And AI is something somewhere I was talking to someone and मैंने उनसे पूछा आपको क्या लगता है कैसे चीजें चेंज होगी.
right.
तो उनकी अपनी थॉट ये थी कि एआई उतना ही काम कर पाएगा जितना उसको सिखाया जाएगा. तो क्रिएटिविटी तो हमेशा मेरी रहेगी लाइक बीइंग अ
Right.
ह्यूमन बीइंग
Yeah.
एंड एआई विल डू व्हाटएवर वी विल
That
फीड.
that is a point, but then there's also this thing that people are working on a super brain as well right
Yeah,
now. So it
exactly.
will, where does it end? That's a question. But वो
Yeah,
सिर्फ film में नहीं, वो worldwide है and everything.
yeah, exactly.
I think as long as आप अपने आप को up to date रख रहे हो, you are actively learning new ways and
Mm-hmm.
teaching it, and maybe at the end it would be that we all create our own AI services and bots, you know.
Yeah,
तो आप, like you said, आपका अपना इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी है वो, बट इंस्टेड कि कोई और उसको यूज करे, आप औरों को करवा रहे हो.
yeah, exactly.
या
So you manage so many creative spaces
या
together. I mean, fashion, beauty, travel,
या
films.
या
How do you maintain your individuality while doing all these things?
well, I think individuality also is an interesting concept because as an artist आपको इतने सारे जगहों से इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
how are you ever alone, you know? आप, if it's about like uniqueness, I would
Yeah.
say individuality can be कि am I doing something that's different and unique? उसमें भी कोई ऐसी मूवी नहीं है
Mhm.
जो like standard stories होते हैं
Yeah,
which
exactly.
work with people. So it's about आप एक स्टोरी को कैसे बता रहे हो,
Hmm.
वो individuality हो गई for me. Like in each thing I'm doing, how am I making it my own? Like if it's fashion or something, एक outfit 50 लोग पहन सकते हैं, उसको आपने कैरी कैसे किया है, किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में किया है, व्हाट आर यू, व्हाट्स योर बिगर पिक्चर इन योर माइंड. आई
Yeah.
थिंक उससे आपका इंडिविजुअल वॉइस बन जाता
Yeah, exactly.
है.
That happens. So, आपको क्या लगता है कांस जैसे इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जो इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिस्ट्स हैं उनको किस तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती हैं?
वेल जैसे कि हमारा जो इवेंट है विच आई एम पार्ट टुगेदर विद
हम्म.
प्रोफेसर
हम्म.
called the Cell Phone Cinema Festival, can, it's a part of a huge like
हम्म.
workshops that run around the world. उनकी culmination वहाँ आती है. हर किसी की अपनी individual voice होती है जो वो वहाँ भेजते हैं,
हम्म.
and those voices are then heard because everyone who's anybody I would say in the film space or have at least come to Cannes once, you know,
हम्म.
if not every year.
Yeah.
क्योंकि कुछ नया होता रहता है.
Yeah,
अभी इस
exactly.
बारी there's a AI and fashion thing that's happening as well. So it's आप उन आर्टिस्ट एंड उन परफॉर्मर्स और क्रिएटर्स से मिलते हो जो कि आपके जैसे अपनी इंडिविजुअल स्पेस बनाना चाह रहे हैं. तो उस स्पेस में आपको आई थिंक आइडियाज ऑल्सो ग्रो. लाइक इट्स
Yeah, exactly.
अबाउट यू गो टू अ I would say to a temple because everybody together is praying.
Yeah.
So if you go to an artist space, everybody together is has those brain waves around them. So I think उससे help होता है.
Yeah.
Emotional perspective पे, and then of course promotionally, it's the biggest space for your projects.
Yeah.
So that the exposure I would say.
Yeah, exactly. So, social media पर generally people show their glamorous life
Yeah,
and glamorous lifestyle.
yeah.
But जो behind the camera struggles होती हैं, वो कैसी होती हैं जो हम सबको दिखाना चाहते भी नहीं हैं और शायद दिखा सकते भी नहीं हैं.
Well, I think also depend करता है आप आप किस टाइप का कंटेंट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभी पीपल, इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट रिलेटेबिलिटी नाउ, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
लाइक आप कितना रिलेटेबल हैं, सो इट हेल्प्स टू शो द बिहाइंड द सीन्स थिंग, क्या एफर्ट लग रहा है, क्या आपके माइंड में चल रहा है। लाइक इफ अगर मैं अच्छा फील नहीं करती, आई से आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड टुडे, आई
Yeah.
वोंट प्रिटेंड,
Yeah.
एंड दैट हेल्प्स टू हैव दैट like friendly discussions with your audience. And I think people also see through it. अगर कोई किसी की भी लाइफ परफेक्ट नहीं होती, उनके कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा डेली में स्ट्रगल रहते
Yeah.
हैं। तो authenticity, I would say, like if you stay authentic to and honest about what you're doing,
Yeah.
and like आप ऐसा दिखा नहीं रहे हो कि my life is better than yours,
Yeah.
जो लोगों
Exactly.
को feel होता है, like when you put the when you show the hard work behind it as well,
Yeah.
then if people also know that it's not something like, एक mind में हमारा होता है ना, इसका क्यों हो रहा है,
Exactly. Exactly.
हमारा क्यों नहीं, इसका क्यों हो रहा है।
Exactly.
Like I sometimes do that as well. I'm like
Being a
थोड़ा तो
human
आता
being,
है,
yes.
it comes that, especially if you want that as well, right?
Yeah.
But then it should be, you should use their journey as an inspiration, and आपका अपना ही होएगा। Like you cannot, there's no corporate ladders in it. It's very like हर किसी की अपनी एक journey होती है, and आप 100 things try करोगे, उसमें से 99 नहीं होंगे।
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
But yeah, there will be that one thing
yeah,
जिससे होना ही है।
right.
और I think आपने अगर इतना ट्राई किया है तो अगर वो एक ना हो तो it's it will not worth trying. So as a woman in entertainment
Yeah.
industry, what were the challenges you faced and how did you overcome?
Well, one challenge always is to be taken seriously. Like I think वो men को for granted मिलता है,
Mm-hmm.
just by the purpose of their gender sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're in a room जहाँ पे decision making हो रही है, तो on one hand they will be politer with you
Mm-hmm.
that you're a woman, but on the other hand sometimes that politeness doesn't means anything because उसका कुछ action नहीं आ रहा है।
Yeah, exactly.
तो it's you have to be taken seriously only when you take yourself seriously, and जो आप अपने साथ attitude रख रहे हो,
Mm-hmm.
वो ही आगे वाला रखेगा। And I had to learn to not accept people's opinions all the time. And मैं तो हर जगह अकेले ही travel किया है always. Even I left home a long time ago and I was just exploring Europe for many
Mm-hmm.
years.
Yeah.
So also to push yourself and put yourself out there constantly, and even if you're feeling afraid, to still do it. I think that helps you not think कि मैं woman हूँ इस चीज में, but I'm just an artist
Yeah.
जो कि कुछ try कर रही है।
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, that's better. I mean, uh, you are an artist apart from any gender first.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is, it's genderless in that way, or it should be, and अगर आप उसको
Mm-hmm.
incorporate कर रहे हो that mindset in your personal space, तो दूसरे लोग भी उस एनर्जी को पिकअप करते हैं, and वो नहीं पिकअप कर रहे तो बाय।
एग्जैक्टली। सो आपके अकॉर्डिंग एक्टिंग में टैलेंट ज्यादा जरूरी है या फिर कंसिस्टेंसी नेटवर्किंग?
um ये मैंने क्वेश्चन बहुत लोगों से पूछा है, एंड आई थिंक जब तक आप अपने आप को, अगेन यू आर नॉट पुटिंग योरसेल्फ आउट देयर, जिसको हम जैसे नेटवर्किंग कहते हैं,
हम्म।
आपका टैलेंट किसी को दिखेगा नहीं। एंड ऑल्सो टैलेंट राइट पर्सन के साथ आता है। लाइक आई मीन इफ आपके डायरेक्टर और आपकी बन नहीं रही है एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रिंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ यू, आई डोंट थिंक वो एक बहुत ऑनेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस रहेगा। लाइक आप मे बी इफ यू आर स्किल्ड एज एन एक्टर यू कैन पुल इट ऑफ,
या
लेकिन इट्स समथिंग दैट बोथ पीपल आर ब्रिंगिंग आउट फ्रॉम ईच अदर। तो आई थिंक दोनों चीज़ें मैटर करती है, एंड एक्सेस आपको क्या है वो मैटर करता है। आप कितना उसमें एफर्ट लगा रहे हैं, कंसिस्टेंटली ट्राई कर रहे हैं, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट नॉट गिविंग अप, क्योंकि आपके आसपास बहुत लोग आपको negative feedback भी दे रहे होंगे at the same time.
एग्जैक्टली।
Like, and it could be people who are close to you as well sometimes, you know, friends, sometimes they think वो आपके लिए better है, because it's a very inconsistent space until you make it kind of big. Even then you have to like still stay in the public eye and still stay relevant, you know. So उसमें निराश नहीं होना, and like to just have a blind constant faith in yourself, वो
Yeah.
चाहिए होता है.
Sometimes what happens na, when we see someone on screen and
Yeah.
we are like, यार director ने acting इतनी अच्छी निकलवाई है.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
But then there are people जिनको हम consistently देख तो रहे हैं लेकिन हमें लगता है कि एक्टिंग तो नहीं हो रही इससे.
Right.
तो वो डायरेक्टर की गलती होती है या एक्टर की गलती होती है?
दोनों की. डायरेक्टर की, उसको चूज क्यों किया? अगर आपको नहीं लगता था आप कर पाओगे. आप बहुत सारे ट्रेनिंग्स होते हैं बिफोर यू डू समथिंग एज
Yeah.
वेल, राइट? यू हैव वर्कशॉप्स विद ईच अदर. तो एक होता है, इज इट अ बिजनेस इंसेंटिव दैट यू हैव समवन विद यू, व्हिच इज अ लेजिटिमेट रीजन, बिकॉज
Mm-hmm.
इट वी आर ऑल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एज आर्टिस्ट एज
Yeah.
वेल. इज इट एंड देन इन दैट केस यू नीड टू वर्क विद व्हाट यू हैव. तो आप वो पर्सन का स्ट्रेंथ देखो एंड यू प्ले दैट अप. हर किसी में स्ट्रेंथ है, लाइक देयर इवन समवन. आई डोंट थिंक दे आर बैड एक्टर्स और बैड डायरेक्टर्स.
Mm-hmm.
आई थिंक कि इट्स अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन. आपने एक दूसरे से कैसे कम्युनिकेट किए अपने
Yeah.
आइडियाज, एंड क्या वो आ पाए कि नहीं.
Yeah, exactly. So, young creators या aspiring actors उनके लिए आपका क्या एडवाइस होगा? The biggest advice you can give अब तक के एक्सपीरियंस
मैं
से.
खुद भी ही हूँ. आई एम नॉट लाइक आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग थिंग्स आउट फॉर माई सेल्फ
Yeah.
ऑल्सो. तो आई एम इन अ आई वुड से बिगिनिंग स्टेज एज वेल. एंड उसी में रहना चाहिए. दैट वुड प्रोबेबली बी द एडवाइस. क्योंकि जब हमें लगता है कि अरे अब तो आई नो दिस, सो मैं औरों को ज्ञान देती हूँ, बट इट
Mm-hmm.
यू आर नॉट यूजिंग इट फॉर योर सेल्फ.
Yeah,
तो
exactly.
फिर वो नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू एंटर इनटू एवरी स्पेस एज इफ आपको कुछ पता नहीं है, एंड यू आर न्यू, एंड यू हैव टू बिल्ड दैट रिलेशनशिप विद एवरीवन.
Yeah. So if आपको कभी अपनी ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट आपकी फिल्म बनानी हो और देयर वुड बी नो लिमिटेशंस, तो वो क्या स्टोरी होगी जो आप कहना चाहोगे?
एक्चुअली मैं वो कर रही हूँ अभी,
ओह
इसलिए मैं
ग्रेट.
इंडिया आई. लास्ट ईयर जब मेरे को लाइक रिकग्निशन मिला था इसमें, तो मैंने लिटरली एक लाइक जायंट लीप लेके मैंने अपने प्रोजेक्ट को पिच करने लग गई. वो भी मुझे इंस्पिरेशन तभी आई थी, लाइक मुझे अपने ड्रीम्स में थॉट्स आते हैं.
Yeah.
I put together a pitch and then abhi I'm making it. And the story is like to connect Europe, India and USA, जो मेरे exposures रहे हैं,
Mm-hmm.
through looking at the story of migration, जो like पुराने ज़माने में जब gypsies ने travel किया था from
जी.
Rajasthan all
हाँ
around the
जी.
world. So it's a movie that I'm actually in the pre-production phase. And I think cross cultural space मेरे लिए बहुत interesting है, so I'd like to explore that area जहाँ पे like something that comes from my background, but जो कि I think आज की reality है कि हर कोई और country में जाता है, new life build करता है.
Yeah.
It could be city, it could be a country, and I wanted to explore those ideas. And जो मैं कह रही थी ancient Indian stories को
Yeah.
bring it to the public,
Yeah.
that's something that I would like to do.
Yeah. And good luck to you for your dream project. I mean,
Thank you.
I thought you will be giving me something कि हाँ मैं करूँगी, but now you are working on it
Yeah.
already, and this is the best thing, I guess.
Abhi this year in Cannes as well, like I'll be doing some press announcements and things. But yeah, I'm excited about Cannes this year for that.
Good luck to you for
Thank you.
that. So you were talking about International Cell Phone Cinema Festival at Cannes.
Yes.
Can you please explain about it?
Yes. So it's a festival that Professor Bardosh has been running now for like over 9 years. He started. He has workshops all around the world where he
Mm-hmm.
collects the best samples of everything made with a cell phone. He
Yeah.
started that many years ago when it wasn't even popular. Now, you know, we're all
Yeah.
products of social media. So
Yeah, exactly.
he's working on innovation in filmmaking. So now we're focusing a lot on AI in film as well, different segments.
Yeah.
I got connected with it last year, and this year I'm sort of working on getting the sponsorship coordination from India as well as globally.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm glad to be a part of this festival in this way, where first last year where I got awarded, and now I feel like I'm a bigger part of it in a way. It's a festival. We run it at Eden Theatre. It's happening on May 17th.
Okay.
within the heart of Cannes. So Marché du Film is Cannes Film Festival's official market where all the business of film happens.
Mm-hmm.
And we present new storytellers, their pitch decks. We had a
Yeah.
pitch deck festival last year, which we're bringing again, where anyone who's working on a production and it's in an initial phase,
Yeah.
if we like that project, we'll project it and it'll reach to our audience of distributors, of, you know, the big people in Hollywood, let's just put it that way.
Yeah.
And we take a personal interest in making that story happen, because I think, like you mentioned earlier, artists and everyone are quite in isolation often. If you're
Yeah.
a director or whatever producer, you want to, we end up working with the same group of people always
Yeah.
sometimes because
Exactly.
we're comfortable. But this is more about creating a community around storytelling, so by uplifting other people's stories as well and maybe helping them get their projects running, you build a deep relationship
Mm-hmm.
and, you know, co potential for the future. So that's, we're looking at future storytellers as well.
Yeah.
It can be people, we have documentary screenings, we have a fashion show because
Mm-hmm.
I'm quite involved in fashion. So we decided to show Indian fashion, like from my end, and then
Yeah.
African fashion, different countries, to have an international space where we celebrate being an international community, you
Yeah.
know. So that's the festival. There'll be a comedy show, there'll be a fashion show, performances from artists. We have a great Hungarian artist coming in. And then we'll have different segments of all the short films. There's a climate change festival that's run. It's an NYU associated event. So
Yeah.
it's because the professor is teaching there since like over 35 years, but it's an independent event run by the professor since he created cell phone cinema. You know, he originated it many years ago. So we're looking at vertical cinema as a huge part of this festival as well. We're trying to
Yeah.
launch people in vertical cinema internationally. So we'll be looking for new creators who are joining us, people who've done already made a mark and they want
Mm-hmm.
to show themselves, and then go with us in the marché to do all of the networking and possibly getting their deals done. That's
Yeah.
the idea.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Wonderful. It's wonderful.
thank you. I'd love for everyone to join in. If anyone is interested, they can get in touch with us.
Yeah.
And we're gonna probably televise this show as well afterwards when it's done. So please be on the lookout.
So, lastly, how would you describe Ambika Sharma in 3 words?
Difficult. Let me think about that. Ambitious. Uh, I would say emotional, and I'm thinking um, soft. Yeah,
Beautiful. I mean, these are your personality traits
yeah.
and it's beautiful.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच अंबिका,
Yeah.
यहाँ आने के लिए, हमें टाइम देने के लिए और हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
सो ये थी हमारी बातचीत अंबिका शर्मा से. ऐसे और भी अपडेट्स के लिए आप देखते रहें MS टीवी. मैं हूँ आपके साथ अपूर्वा झा. धन्यवाद.